In this video, we are going to look at how to change base 10 number to other base. Alright, and here we are asked to convert 87 in base 10 to base 2, base 4, and base 5. And while converting base 10 number to other base, we are going to divide that base 10 number with the new base number. Alright, so let's start with base 2. Let's convert 87 to a number in base 2. Converting it, we are going to use 2 to divide 87. Using 2 to divide 8, we have 4. Using it to divide 7, we have 3, remainder 1. We'll still use 2. 2 in 4 is 2. 2 in 3 is 1, remainder 1. We'll still use 2. 2 in 2 is 1. 2 in 1 is 0, remainder 1. 2 in 10 is 5, remainder 0. 2 in 5 is 2, remainder 1. Alright? So continue again. We have 2. 2 in 2 is 2 in 2 will give us 1, remainder 0. 2 in 1 will give us 0, remainder 1. Now, after we have gotten our remainder, we are going to write them out from the last remainder that we got. That's from this one. We are going to write it from down up. Alright? So we are going to have the first one here is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 in base 2. So we have converted 87 to a number in base 2, which is this. Now let's go on to change it to base 4. While changing it to base 4, we are still going to use 4 to divide 87. So we are going to have 4. Using 4 to divide 8, we are going to have 2. 4 in 7 will give us 2. 4 in 7 will give us 1, remainder 3. So we are still using 4. We'll use 4. 4 in 21 will give us 5, remainder 1. Still using 4. 4 in 5 will give us 1, remainder 1. Still using 4. 4 in 1 will give us 0, remainder 1. So we are going to write out our remainder starting from the last one. So we are going to have 1, 1, 1, 3 in base 4. So 87 in base 10, changing it to a number in base 4, we are going to get this. Alright, so let's also change it to base 5 number. Let's convert it to base 5. We are going to have 5 in 8 will give us 1, remainder 3. 5 in 37 will give us 7, remainder 2. Still using 5. 5 in 17 will give us 3, remainder 2. 5 in 3 will give us 0, remainder 3. So let's write out our remainder. we are going to have 3, 2, 2 in base 5. So 87, changing it to base 5, you are going to get this number in base 5. So this is how to convert any number. So this is how to convert base 10 number to any base, whether base 5, base 6, base 9, or base 8. You are simply going to use that new base to divide that number that is in base 10. All right. After dividing it, you are going to write out your remainder starting from the last one to the first remainder. All right. So if you are coming across my video for the first time and you have not subscribed, do so and turn on the notification bell so that you are going to be notified once I upload a new video. So see you in our next lesson.